Magical and powerful remedy to lose weight very fast, guaranteed 100% natural. Today I will share magical weight loss remedy. This drink detoxifies your body, which can help eliminate toxins and cancer-causing compounds. It also boosts metabolism, immunity and promote fat burn. The first remedy: apple cider vinegar. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 glass of water. Method 1. Take a glass of water, add 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix them well. 2. Your fat burner detox drink is now ready. 3. Drink this in the morning before breakfast. Apple cider vinegar helps to break down fat and hence prevents the accumulation of body fat. The second remedy: green tea. Ingredients: 4 basil leaves, 1 green tea bag, 1 teaspoon of pure honey. Method 1. Firstly, wash and chop 4 basil leaves. Now add the leaves and green tea bag in a jar. 2. Now pour warm water into the jar and cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. 3. After 4 minutes, take out the tea bag and strain the leaves. Add 1 teaspoon honey and mix them well. 4. Drink this in the evening. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.